In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change our email in Kit. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a new email address, verify it, and set it as the default, so all of your future messages use the correct sender address. Let's start from inside your Kit account. First, head over to your settings area. You'll usually find this in the main navigation, often represented by a gear icon or a settings label. Once you're there, look for the email section. This is where Kit keeps everything related to your email configuration, including the addresses you use to send messages. On the email page, you'll see a section called Email Addresses. This is a list of all the email addresses currently associated with your account. To add a new one, find and click the option that says Add Address. This opens a simple field where you can type in the new email you want to use. Carefully enter your new email address. Double-check for typos or extra spaces, especially around symbols like the @ sign or the domain, because even a small mistake will prevent the confirmation from coming through. When you're sure it's correct, click Save. At this point, Kit has recorded your new email, but it won't use it yet. For security and deliverability reasons, you need to prove that you actually own this inbox. Next, go to the inbox for that new email address. Give it a moment if you don't see anything right away, and remember to check folders like promotions, updates, or spam if it doesn't show up in the main inbox. Look for the confirmation message from Kit and open it. Inside, there will be a verification link. Click that link to confirm that you own this email address. This step helps prevent someone from adding an email they don't control and also improves trust with email providers. Once you've clicked the link and the confirmation is successful, go back to the email settings page in Kit. Refresh the page if needed, and you should now see your new email listed as verified. To start using it for all future sends, find that new address in the list and click Make Default. This tells Kit that this is your primary sending address from now on, so campaigns and messages will use it automatically unless you specify otherwise. And that's it. You've added, verified, and set a new default email address in Kit.